Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, 10 or newer and a lightweight editor. Open your project folder and create main. This gets you coding right away. Next, run Python main. To see a baseline. Once done, add a print, hello line to confirm output. Make sure to keep the editor and terminal visible. This reduces context switching and speeds iteration. You're moving from setup to action in the first minute. Practice this loop until it's smooth. You now build fundamentals by writing small, testable snippets that demonstrate variables, control flow, and functions. Start with a simple function that takes input and returns a transformed result, then loop over a list and modify items. Once done, step through with the debugger or sprinkle prints to check state. Make sure to refactor repeated code into functions. This clarifies intent and reduces bugs. Practice incremental changes and run after each change to keep feedback tight. You finish by assembling the pieces into a working script. Parse inputs, call functions, and print results. Once done, add a few tests to lock behavior and run the script end to end. If something breaks, read the traceback from top to bottom, identify the failing function, and reproduce the error with a minimal example. Make sure to use print statements or the debugger to inspect variables. That single step often reveals the cause and saves time resolving the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.